DJ Messina here, DREC Construction Services at our Eastvale project. And today, we've just put our brown coat on our stucco paper. So as we've discussed in the past, this first layer of concrete slash stucco, we put on top of the wire. So they've just completed putting their scratch coat up. No, sorry, yeah, our scratch coat up. And now it's gonna dry for 3-4 days, and you'll see it. I'll come back and take another video then. But you can see how dark it is. Like when you pour concrete in your backyard, it's dark. And then as it dries, it lightens up. So scratch coat done today. Also, we're starting trenching for our underground utilities. So we've got all our concrete busted out. In this particular trench, we're going to have our sewer line, our gas line, and our underground power line going in that trench. Now, each one of these services has got to be at a different level. So we got to stage it up for that inspection when we have those underground inspected. Our water line is going to go a different location. It's going to go from the end of the ADU all the way down and around and down the other side of the house, because that's where the water main is. So I'll keep you guys posted on progress on this one. Again, scratch coat, working on the underground. We should be able to put our brown coat, which is the next layer, because there's 3 layers: scratch, brown, and color coat. But we should, Monday, Tuesday next week, it should be dry enough that we should be able to put our next layer of concrete up. So please hit like and subscribe. Remember, you subscribers, we're going to pull a name from the hat. We're also, remember, refer a friend, refer a family member. Getting a shade here. Refer a client, and I'll put $2,500 in your pocket. Hey guys, thanks for watching.